In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment on Calendly. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with everything you need to effortlessly manage your meetings and appointments. Whether you're a professional looking to streamline your scheduling process or someone simply trying to organize meetings more efficiently, this video will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Calendly website. You'll want to log in to access your dashboard, where you manage all your scheduling activities. If you haven't already set up an account, it's quick and easy to do so right on their homepage. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on your dashboard. This is usually prominently displayed to get you started on setting up a new meeting or appointment type. Clicking on Create will bring up a list of event types that you can choose from. Now you can select an event type that suits your needs. Calendly offers several options, allowing you to customize meetings in a way that's most beneficial to you and your attendees. For simplicity's sake, we'll go with a one-on-one event type here. This option is great if you're looking to have a direct meeting with a single participant, making it a perfect choice for interviews, consultations, or personal meetings. Choose this option, and let's move on to the next step. Now it's time to give your event a name. The event name helps you and the invitee quickly understand the purpose of the meeting. Make it concise yet descriptive enough so it's clear what the meeting will entail. Remember, a good event name can sometimes make all the difference. Next, you'll need to set the duration of your meeting. Calendly offers flexibility here, letting you choose from default options like 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or you can set a custom duration. For this demonstration, let's go with the 30-minute option. This is a common meeting length that balances depth of discussion with efficiency. After setting the duration, it's time to choose the location for your meeting. This could be a physical location, a phone call, or a video call. In this example, we're going to select Zoom. If you choose Zoom, make sure your Calendly is integrated with your Zoom account to automatically generate meeting links. Now, let's set your availability. This part is crucial because it dictates the specific time slots that you want to make available for scheduling. You can set your available days and hours, ensuring that your calendar reflects your real-life availability. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time for the final step. With all your details set, click the Create button. Make sure to review all the event settings before finalizing. Doing so ensures that your scheduling link is correctly configured and ready to be shared. That's it. You've successfully scheduled an appointment on Calendly. You can now share your event link with others to start scheduling appointments effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.